Morning, everyone. I just had breakfast in the, I guess, the dining area of the hotel, and so I said, let me just step out. This is not my official start of the day. Just wanted to step out to see how it's like early in the morning after a night, after people eat or whatnot, after people are out eating. I just had some chai tea. Want to see what's people's morning routine is. So far, the routine is cigarettes and tea. And that dude as well. Cigarettes and tea for breakfast. Do smoke a lot here. It's pretty cool. COVID-19 testing all over the place. So that makes things way easier for me. This is the morning. This is going for bread delivery. I just had one of these back at the hotel. Now I do want to ride one of these scooters today. I'm sure I have to download an app and whatnot. I do want to ride one of those. I saw people having a good time on them yesterday. That guy is filming, I'm filming. Domino's. Let me just walk this way. I think today is Friday. So on a Friday morning at 8:30, it's still pretty slow, maybe around this area. Maybe because it's more of a commercial area, I'm guessing. So that's probably why it seems slow over here. Get that cheesecake. It's pretty good. Look at that side street. More cigarettes and tea. Balanced breakfast. Like I said, this is not my official start of the morning. Just like to see what's around the hotel. Love those areas like that. Wanted to see what's around. Okay, see those large bottles of water on the ground? I bought one of those last night because I like to do that. I like to buy beverages, some snacks to have in the hotel overnight. You know, you never know. Because once you're in, you want to be in. So I bought a bottle for 4 Turkish libras, and I believe that's about, it's less than 50 cents for that whole like large bottle. Spring water. Flags up there. This is like the vibe you think of when it comes to Turkey. This like, it looks like a hookah spot. The original hookah spot. Not your uptown Manhattan hookah spots. Look at the exchange rate.
Salla ev 4
That street over here. Baklava. There's a lot of shops that have different types of baklava. Treats. Yeah. Damn, it's beautiful. I don't know which way to turn. We go down here. So this is the old city. Look at those tiles. Oh, there's a DoubleTree down there. DoubleTree Hotel. So here's a major key. I don't know if I said it last night. This reminds me of like the tuk-tuks in Thailand. Same idea. Look at this small one. Cute little pedal. I don't know if I gave this key yesterday. So when you're traveling solo, and like let's say on a day like today, I'll be doing a lot of walking, and no matter how far I go, without my phone, I can get back to the hotel. And the reason being is when you launch out the DoubleTree, when you start from where your hotel is and you start walking, let's say you start walking straight, in a straight direction, then something captures your eye, and instead of going left, you go right for a reason. Maybe you see a building that's very interesting, and so it causes you to make a turn. So always look at buildings or something that catches your eye, so that way you can work backwards going back. Very, very simple. If I'm going straight right here down this road in this single direction, if something makes me veer off, I should be able to remember what that was. So if I was heading that way and I happened to pan left and I said, oh man, look at this red seat, and then I keep walking in a direction, I should be able to remember what caused me to change my direction. And that's what works for me all the time. Look at the outside seating, right? This guy acted like I wasn't walking. Super rude. Anyway, I hit you guys on the next one.